everyone. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a simple cake batter cookie that is easy for kids to do. The first thing you're going to want to make sure you do is wash your hands, put your hair up so there's no hair in your food, and make sure your oven is at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now you're going to need one 15-ounce box of cake batter, whatever flavor you'd like. I'm going to use simple vanilla. Whatever fixing you like, I'm going to use chocolate chips, a baking spatula, a fork to mix your eggs, a cookie scoop, a half cup of oil, a good pinch of salt, and 2 eggs. Now the first thing you're going to want to do after you got all your ingredients and everything is add your cake batter, which I've already done, and then you add your half cup of oil. You just pour it in carefully. You add your eggs. First, we're going to mix them up. Well, we're going to make it like we're going to scramble them. And this is how it should look when you're done. You just add that. You add your salt. You might have to shake your thing a little bit. And then you take your baking spatula and you just mix it up good. You always want to make sure you scrape your sides so you get all the goodness in there. After you're done mixing it, it should look like this. And then you add your fixings. And then you mix that in really good. After you're done mixing all your fixings in, this is what it's going to look like. And then you take this off, just put it there, and then you take your cookie scoop, and you're going to do 3 across over here and 4 down this way. You just take, and you drop one. You want to make sure they're pretty far spaced out, but not too much because you don't want it to get stuck together. So this is what it's going to look like once you're done putting them on the sheet. They're not too close to the edge and they're not too close to each other. Now you're going to put them in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes, but I like to do 10 so they don't burn. You can always put them in longer if they aren't done. So you just put them in your oven. And you wait 10 minutes. So this is what they're going to look like when they're done. Now this particular batch needed 12 minutes to finish cooking. The way you can tell they're done is like this one is tipped over and it's golden brown. So you just take them out, let them cool, and enjoy.